Ever since becoming a werewolf, I've had some pretty weird things happen to me. I fought robots, zombies, and even the late Corey Haim. But nothing's ever been stranger than what went down between me, Merton, and Bucky Offendall.
Bucky Offendall's here? Tommy! Hide me! Hide me! Bucky Offendall's back.
Bucky's here?
Yes.
Bucky, can I have
I'm dead. Bucky's wanted to waste me ever since I testified against him in the O'Reilly 7 incident.
The O'Reilly 7 incident?
Bucky inflicted swirlies on the entire clan O'Reilly, including the triplets. His last words to me before they hauled him off to juvie were, "You're dead meat, paleface."
Relax, all right? Look, I bet you he doesn't even remember you.
Tommy, if I don't see you again, make sure they bury me in a clean frock, either silk or a lightweight wool. Oh. Go to the light, Merton. Hello? Hello? Where am I? Some kind of hidden surveillance room? Oh! What in Z? Hey, that's Tommy. But, Nah.
Huh. Delta coming in pretty good.
Sweet, merciful Zeus! I'm in Tommy's head?
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
I've never really minded being the guy they go to when the game's on the line. It's actually kind of cool. If the pressure's on, everybody knows they can always call on one person, Tommy Dawkins.
Tommy Dawkins?
Huh?
Tommy, I asked if you could tell me which policy was adopted by the United States in 1823 to limit European influence in the Western Hemisphere.
Oh, man. I don't know this.
The Monroe Doctrine, Tommy. The Monroe Doctrine.
The Monroe Doctrine?
Correct, Mr. Dawkins. Nice work.
Thank you.
I knew it was the Monroe Doctrine!
Hey, what's up?
Oh, not much. Unless you count this. I discovered a portal into your head.
Huh?
Yeah, it was exactly like Spike Jonze's critically acclaimed yet financially disappointing film, Being John Malkovich.
What happened?
Well, in my opinion, the quirky premise was, quote, too thinky for middle America to embrace. I mean, even the chimp had a flashback.
In the movie, Merton. What happened in the movie?
Oh, right. Well, John Cusack plays a puppeteer who discovers a portal into Malkovich's mind that lets him experience life through Malkovich's eyes and ears.
Yeah, right. You were inside my head.
Me and you.
You were in my head.
Yes!
I'll catch you at lunch.
The Monroe Doctrine, Tommy!
What'd you just say?
The Monroe Doctrine? Ring a bell?
That was you?
In this.
How?
How? You want to know how? Well, it's obviously some sort of, paradimensional, quasi-metabolical, kind of yee, and then... No idea. But it was so cool!
Hey,
how you doing?
Bucky, looking buff.
Yeah. I mean, 2 years pumping iron in the yard with nothing but payback on the mind will do that to you. Hey, how's the family, man?
Good, thanks. Yours?
Mother has gout. But she copes. She copes.
Good.
Hey, if you see Paleface, can you give him a message for me?
Look, Bucky, why don't you let it go,
No,
huh?
no, look. Just tell him to keep a surgeon handy.
Why?
Well, because he's not leaving school in one piece. Take care of yourself.
Okay, you too. See you later, Bucky. He said...
I heard.
So Merton said he got into my head. But I don't know. That's kind of hard to swallow.
Start swallowing, Tommy. I'm back!
Hey, Tommy. Nice dig on the Monroe Doctrine.
Oh, that? Thank you. Guess you never know what you have stored up here, huh?
Hey, I remember this picture. We took this right after we mixed it up with Merton's imaginary friend. Remember how close we were?
Yeah. That was one tiny photo booth.
No, Tommy, I meant close as in a couple.
Tommy, tell her you were joking.
I know, Lori. Gosh, I'm joking.
Hey, can I have half of this picture?
Go ahead, Tommy. Give her half.
You know, why don't you take the whole thing? I mean, why ruin something so perfect, you know?
That's really sweet. Thanks. You know, you've kind of been acting a little different lately.
Say this. Well, Lori, I have undergone personal growth since our tumultuous breakup.
I don't know. I guess I've just sort of grown up a little since we split, that's all.
Sort of the poor man's version, but the point got through.
Do you want to get together tonight?
Sure. Sort of a study date?
Yeah. Or whatever.
That'd be good.
Okay.
Cool.
Did you hear that? My insights into the female psyche got you a date!
Come on, man. It was me who got the date, all right? She went for the photos. She misses me. I got the date. So why don't you just quit creeping me out and get out of my head, huh?
Tommy, don't worry. With me in your head, you got nothing to worry about.
Get out now, Merton!
But Tommy, I have no control over when I leave. G'day, mate. Boy, crikey, have we met?
Zip it, Paleface.
Hey! We're on school property, Bucky. If you hurt me here, you'll be expelled again and sent back to juvie.
Good point. But as soon as you step outside that door, you're dead meat.
Merton? Stay out of my head. Whatever you did in there really hurt. So no more, got it?
No more, got it, yeah.
Good.
Okay. Hey, wait, where are you going? I need protection from Bucky.
Sorry, Merton. Got my date with Lori.
Hey, don't you mean our date?
No. I mean mine. Now, stay out.
Great! I can't leave school grounds. What am I supposed to do? Set up a hobo town in the cafeteria?
You ever have one of those dates where everything goes just right? Where no matter what you say, it comes out perfect? Well, this wasn't one of those. One of the soda? Free refills, you know?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay. Oh, man. I am dying here.
Look, it is the handsome, spiky-haired one who took our brothers. He returns to consume us. No!
Maybe Merton was right. Maybe I did need his help with Lori.
I knew you'd come a-calling.
Merton, I told you to stay out.
I know what you're thinking, Tommy. But don't worry about cranial trauma. I've taken measures to ensure your safety.
Look, Tommy, thanks for tonight, but I think I should get going.
Ask her to go for a walk.
Oh, wait, Lori. You can't go yet. I mean, come on, let's go for a little walk.
Okay.
Okay, Tommy, the stuff about personal growth was gold. Now we go in for the kill.
Should I flex my doubts?
No, Tommy. Tell her your newfound sense of balance and harmony comes from a realization that your lycanthropy is a metaphor for adolescence.
I guess I'm just a little more comfortable lately. You know, because I finally realized that becoming a werewolf is a lot like what other kids have to go through growing up, you know? Just a little more intense, but...
Tommy, what's gotten into you lately?
5 feet 7 inches of goth stud.
What do you mean?
You sound like Merton.
I'm sorry. Am I being annoying right now?
No. It was really insightful.
Ha! I told you!
Hey, you've been working on your doubts, haven't you?
I told you.
That was like the best kiss we ever had.
Thanks.
Sorry I wolfed you out.
Whoa, Tommy, look back that way. It's Bucky.
Forget it, Merton. Lori and I are clicking again.
No, you gotta scare him off for me. Whoa!
Whoa, what?
Tommy,
Can you hear me?
Tommy, can you hear? What does that mean?
I must have full control of Tommy's body. Remarkable! I am in control of a werewolf? Oh, time to take this baby for a spin! Okay.
I'll be back in a flash. Get over here! Stop terrorizing Merton Dingle, huh? Okay. No, please. Go apologize to him post-haste. He's in school. Okay. Whoa.
And use his middle initial, J.
Okay, yeah, okay. Now drop and give me 20 push-ups first. You know, and while you're at it,
Bring him a well-chilled bottle of Yoo-Hoo.
you ragamuffin. Get out of here!
Ragamuffin.
I scared Bucky off and all. I scared Bucky off and all. Tommy. Sorry I had to take total control of your body, but... Oh! I kicked Bucky's butt! It was amazing. I never knew I was so agile. I wish you'd been there. You know, now I know what you mean about the rush of flying. You know, I felt alive for the first time. Tommy, you scared me. I thought you were Bucky. Yeah.
I am Bucky, paleface.
Tommy, what are you doing?
Settling an old score.
Lori, that's not Tommy. We have to hide.
Come on in here.
I'm not sure this is the best place. I'll get the door for you. It's Bucky Offendall. He found his way into Tommy's head and has control of his body. We gotta hide until he gets spat out. No! Or until he tears the door down and devours us whole. Go!
Where are we?
Oh, nowhere special. Just inside Tommy's head.
Oh, hiya, paleface. You ready for the pain?
Lori, have you met my arch nemesis, Bucky Offendall?
I'm so confused.
You should be. Just no matter what you do, don't hit the floor or walls. It'll hurt Tommy.
Oh no, oh no.
Yeah, just like that. My bad, Tommy.
Wait a minute. If this is Tommy's head, and he's controlling Tommy, then was that you inside Tommy's head in the park?
Yeah, isn't it cool? I mean, yes, and that was wrong.
Hey, less yakking, more smacking.
What's happening in there? You're killing me.
Bucky's in your head, Tommy. You gotta get in here.
Go through the janitor's closet.
Well, guess I'll be fighting 2 girls now. Come on. Ooh, nice. Oh, what, is that all you got? Ooh. What you gonna do, girl? Ouch.
Cool.
Hey, paleface, hold on to this for me.
Sorry, Bucky. It's time I cleared my head. Come on. How'd your mother get gout?
About 2 months after she got rickets.
You become a wolf. That long ago.
Thanks. Hi.
Don't hi me. I can't believe you guys tricked me like that.
Oh.
So it was you with the adolescent werewolf metaphor?
Rather insightful, wasn't it? Not really your point, I guess.
Look, you two are the best guys that I've ever met. And together, you're one great guy. But if you ever do this to me again, I swear I will...
So cool.
Lori's right, Merton.
I agree. Let's never do this again. After we put the super us to use on chicks at the factory.
Wow. It's kind of nice in here. In the end, Bucky's bullying got him sent back to juvie.
Where's the portal?
And my head? Well, Merton went back in to tidy up after the fight.
No vacuums, Burton! Oh,
My bad, Tommy.
And after everything was all tidy, I made him seal up that portal forever. And as for being Tommy Dawkins, I have my moments without any help from anyone.
Tommy, have you seen Merton? I need to ask him what the answer to question 8 was on the test.
It was the Boston Tea Party, Lori. That was an easy one.
Is that you in there, Merton?
See you later.